everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Gomati, and today I'm super excited to talk about an incredible opportunity for all the aspiring scientists and engineers out there. The internship and project opportunities offered by ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. If you have passion for space science and technology, then this is the perfect video for you. Let's dive right in. So, before I proceed, I'd like to tell you that this is my channel, Goms Tech Talks. If you haven't subscribed it, please go and subscribe here. And why should you subscribe here? I will be talking about new opportunities, job opportunities, internship program, free courses, and lot more specifically to the students. So here you can find it. Okay, so this is the one, and also if you are a researcher, you can find it here. Okay, and lot more about interview and the technology, various technologies like R programming, Tableau. So I will be talking about all these things. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and this is my account. So if you require any guidance, like a special guidance or one-to-one guidance or personal guidance on anything, like if you're doing your academic PhD or your certification readiness, mock interview preparation tips, career guidance, resume, you can just schedule a call here. The link is in the description. I'll be happy to assist you. Let's go to the today's topic, that is Indian Space Research Organization, Department of Space. So here you can see that this is an internship scheme, and this opportunity is for the India, okay, for the Indian students. So here you can see internship opportunity shall be extended for UG, PG, PhD students, a citizen of India, pursuing from a recognized university institution in the disciplines of science, technology, or have completed within 6 months of the application. Okay, the duration of the internship will work maximum period of 45 days. So you have to do this internship for 45 days, and you should have aggregate of minimum 60 percentage or CGPA of 6.32 on a scale of 10. Okay, this is what the basic criteria. So here you can see the various criteria for the engineering students and everything. So here you can see this is for engineering. If you are in a BE or BTech, you should have completed 6th semester, which means that you should be in the third year. No, oh, six. So you should have completed your third year, and you should be in the fourth year. Okay, so and the minimum is 45 days duration. And here you can see this is for ME MTech. Okay, so if you are ME MTech, then minimum duration is 120 days. And this is for BSc Diploma, 1 year, only final year students, minimum 45 days. And this is for MSc. Okay, the student should have completed first semester and minimum 120 days duration you have to do. And finally, for PhD, scholars should have completed coursework minimum 30 months you have to do this. Okay, so this is what. So other information you can read it here, like what are the expertise, what are the projects, so what are the things which they will be providing. Okay, so that is what they are talking about. They'll be providing a lot more information about it, like for example, allotted based on the availability of expertise, project facilities, and suitability of the student's course. All the application will be scrutinized. Okay, so you have to look into these information before you submit. And you can see there are a lot of links. Okay, so you can find these links and understand which one suits you better. Like you can see here, this is Rao Satellite Center, Bangalore. So if you just click here, it will ask you click OK. You have to click OK, and it will take you to the next level. So you can see what is the opportunity. Okay, so you can see here, okay, these are all the minimum thing. And the internship opportunities will reopen in the 1st of November 2024. See, this is July, right? You have August, September, October, November, 4 months to prepare, because anyhow you should have some basic information about it. Okay, so how to apply, what are the important things they are expecting, and if you are applying for some any specific things, you should have that knowledge to prepare your proposal and everything. So 4 months is enough for you to prepare, so start preparing for that. Okay, so here you can see it will be enabled. And if you click on another one, this is a student project, and they are telling that this is the eligibility, and students you can send apply through this particular mail ID. So you have to decrypt this student at. Okay, so this is like you have to make it a student at the rate. This is at the rate, dot means you have to use the dot, so you have to be very clear while writing it. Okay, so you have lot and more thing. Okay, what is the eligibility, when is the selection criteria, when should you apply, start applying everything. You can see a lot of links here: Northeastern Space Application Center, Shillong. So you can try this. Click here, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, Dehradun. Click here. So like there are a lot of internship opportunities available for the students. Okay, and your area is anywhere around this aeronautical engineering, aerospace, anything related to these things, you can definitely apply. Okay, you can see what are all the things which they are expecting, and accordingly you can apply for that. So I hope you all know ISRO, right? ISRO is established in 1969. ISRO is the space agency of the government of India, headquartered in Bangalore, and it's known for its impressive achievements in space technology and its commitment to harnessing space science for national development. So here they have lot of thing, like there is the only thing, you should be a student, and they have some specific student, either as a BE BTech student or MEM Tech student or BSc Diploma student or MPhD student, but it has its own duration to complete it. Okay, so what are the benefits of doing these internship is what you will get: a hands-on experience with cutting edge space technology, opportunity to work with some of the biggest and brightest minds in the field, exposure to the real world challenges and innovative problem solving, potential for future opportunities with ISRO or other prestigious organization, and this will enhance your resume and increase your employability. That is the important thing. Okay, so you can just go and explore here, that it may there are various options they have given, right? Any one will definitely suit you if you are looking for a job, like internship opportunities in ISRO. Just keep watching this particular link. This is the link. Thus you have to just keep looking at this particular link. Okay, ISRO internship and projects. Okay, so you can find it here. If you just go to the ISRO, you can find internship and projects here. Okay, the fellowship, you have internship fellowships as well. So you can just check here for your, like, regularly you have to check here in order to understand like what are all the various opportunities which are provided by ISRO. I hope this video helps you well. So don't forget to like and share if you really feel that this opportunity will suit you. Even if it is not suits you, like, please share it with your friends or your colleagues or your those who are doing PhD. So your scholars, it may be anybody, it will work for them, it will be helpful for them. So please go and check the complete details. I'll be pinning this link in the comment section, the first pinned link. So please go and watch that. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting video. Thank you, take care. Until then, please take care, and bye bye.